Today, I'll walk you through how to add new pages in Power BI Report View, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create additional pages in your Power BI reports so you can enhance your data storytelling. Let's get started. First, open Power BI Desktop. This is the canvas where all your data visualization magic happens. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functions remain the same. Once you have Power BI open, look at the bottom of your screen. You will see the names of your existing pages. To add a new page, simply click on the plus sign located next to the existing page's name. This action is similar to adding a new tab in a web browser. It's that straightforward. Now, if you prefer a different method, you can also add a new page by navigating to the Insert ribbon at the top of the screen. Click on New Page. This will present you with options to either create a blank page or duplicate an existing one. Duplicating can be particularly useful if you want to maintain a similar layout while changing the data or visuals. Take a moment to choose the option that best fits your needs. If you select the blank page, you'll have a fresh canvas to work with. If you choose to duplicate, you can quickly modify the existing elements to suit your new page's purpose. Remember, adding pages in Power BI is like expanding a book with new chapters. Each page can tell a different part of your story, allowing you to present your data in a more organized and engaging way. As you create new pages, feel free to experiment with different visuals and layouts. This is your opportunity to make your report as informative and visually appealing as possible. In conclusion, adding new pages in Power BI Report View is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your reports. Whether you choose to add a blank page or duplicate an existing one, you now have the tools to create a more comprehensive data presentation. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.